On the daily challenge screen, guess 0 of 10. First accept cookies to clear the banner, then focus the search field and type a strong starting guess. Inception is a well-known movie with distinctive genres, actors, and director that give good feedback. Waiting for suggestions to appear before selecting. Type card is green for Inception, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 2010 by more than 2 years. 2013 plus. Rating 8.8 is red with a down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5 below 8.3. Genres, action and adventure are green on target, sci-fi is gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, Christopher Nolan all not highlighted. Constraints, movie, year 2013 or later, rating under 8.3, has action and adventure. Genres, not sci-fi, none of those cast/crew. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Target is newer than 2010, rating under 8.3, as action and adventure genres but not sci-fi. Mad Max, Fury Road 2015 fits, movie, newer, action plus adventure, rating tilde 8.1, not sci-fi, different cast/director. Typing to bring up the suggestion. Type card is green for Mad Max, Fury Road, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2015 is red with an up arrow, meaning target is newer than 2015 by more than 2 years. 2018 plus. Rating 8.1 is red with a down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.1 by more than 0.5 below 7.6. Genres, action and adventure green on target, sci-fi gray not on target. No actor overlap. Tom Hardy, Charlize Theron, Nicholas Hoult all gray and no director overlap. George Miller gray. Constraints, movie, year 2018 or later, rating below 7.6, action plus adventure but not sci-fi. Avoid Inception and Mad Max, Fury Road. Type card green for Mad Max movie, target medium equals movie. Target is newer than 2015-2018 plus, rating below 7.6, action plus adventure, but not sci-fi. Top Gun, Maverick 2022 fits, movie, newer, action plus adventure, rating tilde 8.2. Actually that's above 7.6. Let me pick something with rating below 7.6. Actually a better fit, something action plus adventure, 2018 plus, rating under 7.6. Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle 2017 is close but too old. Let me use Aquaman 2018 action plus adventure but has sci-fi. Instead Black Panther 2018 is action plus adventure plus sci-fi. I'll try Jumanji, The Next Level 2019, action/adventure/comedy, rating tilde 6.6, newer. Typing that. My guess was actually Top Gun, Maverick 2022, not Jumanji. Type card is green movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2022 is yellow with an up arrow, meaning target is within 2 years and newer, so target year is 2023 or 2024. Rating 8.2 is red with a down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.2 by more than 0.5 below 7.7. Genres, action green on target, drama gray not on target. No actor overlap. Tom Cruise, Jennifer Connelly, Miles Teller gray and no director overlap. Joseph Kosinski gray. Constraints, movie, year 2023-2024, rating below 7.7, as action, not drama, not sci-fi. Avoid Inception, Mad Max Fury Road, Top Gun Maverick. Type card green for Top Gun Maverick movie, target medium equals movie. Constraints, year 2023-2024 newer, within 2, rating below 7.7, as action, not drama, not sci-fi. John Wick, Chapter 4 2023 fits, movie, 2023, action/thriller/crime, rating tilde 7.7 borderline, no drama, no sci-fi. Good candidate. Typing to bring up suggestion. Type card is green movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2023 is green same year, so target year is 2023. Rating 7.6 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5 and lower, so roughly 7.1-7.5. Genres, action green on target, crime and thriller gray not on target. No actor overlap. Keanu Reeves, Lawrence Fishburne, George Georgiou gray and no director overlap. Chad Stahelski gray. Constraints, movie, year exactly 2023, rating 7.1-7.5, as action, not crime, not thriller, not drama, not sci-fi. Avoid John Wick Chapter 4 and prior guesses. Type hard green movie, target medium equals movie. Confirmed, year equals 2023 green, rating within 0.5 lower 7.1-7.5, action yes, but crime/thriller no. Guessing was only 4 of 10, so my prior guesses did register. Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3 2023 fits, movie, 2023, action/adventure/comedy, rating tilde 7.9 slightly high. Let me instead try Extraction 2 2023 action/thriller rating 7.0, but has thriller. Better, Wonka. No action. I'll try Mission, Impossible Dead Reckoning 2023 action/adventure/thriller rating 7.6 has thriller. The Flash 2023 action/adventure/sci-fi no sci-fi. Let me try Rebel Moon or Better Blue Beetle 2023 action/adventure/sci-fi. Given action only, non-crime non-thriller, 2023, rating tilde 7.2, I'll guess Guardians of the Galaxy Vol 3. My guess was Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3. Type card is green movie, so target medium equals movie. Genres show action, adventure, comedy all green. Mean target has all three, action, adventure, and comedy. Actors Chris Pratt, Takuti Iwuji, Bradley Cooper appear gray not on target. Director James Gunn gray. Earlier confirmed, year 2023, rating 7.1-7.5 lower than guesses. The poster hint is a pixelated movie poster. Constraints, movie, 2023, rating tilde 7.1-7.5, genres action plus adventure plus comedy, not sci-fi / crime / thriller / drama, no got G cast / director. A strong 2023 action adventure comedy fit is Barbie? No, not action. Consider the Super Mario Bros. Movie 2023 animation / adventure / comedy rating 7.0. Type card green movie, target medium equals movie. Confirmed, year 2023 green, rating 7.9 red with down arrow so target below tilde 7.4, genres action plus adventure, plus comedy all green all on target. S5 of 10. Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves 2023 fits perfectly. Movie, 2023, action / adventure / comedy / fantasy, rating tilde 7.2. Clicking the search input and typing to bring up the suggestion. Solved it in 6 guesses. The answer was Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves 2023. The type card confirmed a movie throughout and after Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3 lit up all 3 genres action, adventure and comedy as green, combined with the locked in 2023 release year and a rating around 7.2. Everything pointed straight to it. Great clue combo of genre trio plus year to seal the win with a score of 298.